Hello guys, welcome to the Wolf. How are you all? And I'm back again with a video on Bitcoin and Ethereum on the daily chart analysis, and something's not going well and a huge move is yet to come. So let's get to the chart. So here I am on the Bitcoin daily time frame chart, and as I told you that the Bitcoin price broke this yellow zone, important Fibonacci zone to the downside, and I was expecting a retest, and it is giving a retest right now. So let's see what happens. Will this be considered as a whole fake out and the price will return to the upside, or the price will continue to the downside? Let's wait and watch what happens, but be ready because anytime uh, the price can go to the upside or to the downside with a huge volatility. And also this whole zone is very important right now, so I won't trade in this zone. If the price breaks this whole zone to the downside, then only I'll take a trade, short trade on Bitcoin, or I'll trade a long trade on Bitcoin if the price breaks this yellow zone to the upside once again with a proper retest or a huge volume candle or any other confirmation. Right now I'm on the Ethereum's daily time frame chart, and as you guys know, Bitcoin and Ethereum are somehow correlated to each other. So right now Ethereum is in a falling wedge, or we can say falling parallel channel right now, as we can clearly see, and also in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, and then again lower low. So this indicates that the target for the next Ethereum move can be to the upside. So the target can be all the way up here, this blue rectangle box and plus this blue trend line. So these both can be the target. So well, let's see what happens. If I get an opportunity, a good opportunity on Ethereum, I will enter in a long position on Ethereum as well. So let's see what happens, and also I will do remind you guys of my trades and every update on my Twitter, so do follow my Twitter, link is in the description. I'm on the different chart of Ethereum, a different analysis. So right now the Ethereum's price is below this red dotted line, which is acting as a very important support and resistance for the Ethereum. So if the price continues to fall below heavily from here, then it can easily go all the way down here at my target one, which is at approx 1460 to 1420 dollars. This whole zone is very important for the Ethereum's price, as we can clearly see. This is a very important zone right here. And the second target, if the price breaks this target, so we can book some partial profits here, and if the price breaks this also, then it can heavily go down all the way down till here, 1162 to 1130, this zone target 2 right here, because this is also a very important zone. I hope you can see this in the Bitcoin weekly time frame chart, and I just thought to continue this video and show you my last analysis, a very important analysis right now. I hope you know this major head and shoulders forming right now. So if we zoom in a little bit, we all know that the Bitcoin price broke this trend line to the downside, and if I enable RSI indicator, we can clearly see. If I open the indicator, so here is the RSI indicator, and we can clearly see how the price, or we can say how the RSI indicator is in a downtrend following a trend line right here, right here. So there are chances that now for shorter term the Bitcoin price can go bullish again, but overall, as I told you, that I am bearish only. But for the shorter term, I am seeming that the Bitcoin price can go up. And also, if I make a trend line like this live here on my video only, so we can clearly see this is also acting as a very good support here, this RSI. So if there are chances that the RSI can reverse back up till here. Let's see what happens. This is a very crucial support for Bitcoin, and as I told you in my previous videos, if the price takes this level to the downside, then it can heavily go down. But right now it is using this zone as a support, there are chances that the price can go up here. So let's see what happens in the future, and I'll update you guys on my Twitter and also through my videos. So do follow my Twitter as well, and do subscribe my channel for regular updates. And as guys, if you want to trade crypto like me, any crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other crypto, you can easily do that on Bybit. It's the best exchange that I use for crypto trading. It's free to use. You can create an account for free using the link in description, and you can get up to $30,000 deposit gift for free. So do create an account on Bybit with the link in description. It will be available at the top of the description. So do create an account. And also if you want to follow me, then do follow me on Twitter as well. So there I post latest to the point updates on my trades and on the crypto whole news, what happens. So do follow me there to get regular updates as well. So yeah guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like the analysis, and I hope you understand something about the markets and how to do trading and how to do technical analysis as well. And do follow me on my Twitter to get the full latest updates of my trades and all the crypto community as well. And do create an account on Bybit. See you guys next time.